everyone, we are the little scientists from grade 1 here. Wish you a happy National Science Day. Vaishnavi, do you know why do we celebrate National Science Day on February 28th every year?
Yes, Subhashish, I know. February 28th is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on February 28, 1928. Here, some junior scientists are going to show videos on science topic. Please do watch.
My science activity is about healthy food. Milk get from animals. Muskmelon get from plants. Orange get from plants. This is sapota get from plants. It is bread made with wheat flour. Sweet corn get from plants. It is badam get from plants. It is grapes get from plants. It is oats get from plants. I am doing curious activity of body parts. 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 2 cheeks, and 1 mouth. 2 hands, 10 fingers, 2 legs. Thank you, Nana. I am telling about animals. 3 different types of animals. First one is wild animals, and the second one is domestic, and the next one is pet animals. So see here, these are domestic animals. These are wild animals: hippopotamus, lion, tiger, and elephant. These wild animals all live in forest. Tell today sense organs 5. Nose to smell, tongue to taste, hand to touch, eyes to see, ear to hear. Hi everyone. I think you know about healthy food. Healthy food is very important for us. Healthy food is vegetables and fruits. In vegetables, pumpkin, carrot and beetroot is very important. We will take regularly, we will be healthy and strong. I am going to say about this sun. The sun. When the sun rises, the day begins. When the sun sets, the night follows. The sun is bigger than the earth. The sun is source of heat and light in the sky. Plants use sunlight to make their food. I am going to say about animals. These are my pet Chanti Bunty. Their name is Chanti Bunty. I will play with daily 1 time, and I will keep daily I will feed daily 3 times, and I will pour water. This is my home. There is a garden in my home. There are lots of plants and trees in my garden. 2 ears. I have 2 eyes. I have 1 nose. I have 1 mouth. I have 1 head. I have 2 hands. I have legs, 2 legs. I have neck. Today I am going to say about sense organs and internal organs on this Science Day. Sense organs: tongue to taste, eyes to see, ears to
ears to hear, nose to smell, skin to feel, internal organs, brain to think, kidneys to filter the blood, heart to pump the blood, lungs to breathe, liver and stomach will digest the food. Today I am explaining food from plants and animals. From plants we get pulses, beans, oil, groundnuts, rice, vegetables, fruits, radish, carrot, potato, ginger, garlic and onion. These are underground vegetables. From animals we get ghee, honey, butter, egg, milk. These are healthy food items. I am explaining about plants. There are 5 types of plants. Trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. It is a money plant. It is example for climbers. It is in green color. It has a weak and green stem. This is climbing the support of walls. I am going to share about types of animals. Pet animals, wild animals and domestic animals. First, pet animals. Pet animals are kept in a house. Pet animals will do funny things. They will protect us from thieves. Example, cat, dog and rabbit. Now domestic animals. Domestic animals are living in houses and in our farms. They will give us milk and meat. Examples, cow, buffalo, goat and horse. Body pose. Eyes are seeing. Nose are breathing. Mouth are eating. Ears are listening. Hands are claps. Legs are walking. Today I am saying about functions of body parts. Eyes to see, nose to smell and breathe, ears to hear, mouth to talk and eat, hands to write, legs to walk and run. Saying about sense organs, I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ear. Yes, activity. Healthy food. I will eat daily fruits and I will eat daily dry fruit in the break time. I will drink milk morning and evening. Food from plants. This is a climber. They
take support.
They take support. This is a Indian beans. We'll tell you about library. This is our library. In our library, so many books are there, like story books and GK books and science books. I'm telling about body parts. These are body parts. Ear, neck, hand, leg, toe, head, eye, mouth, shoulder. Today I am going to tell about the types of animals. These are domestic animals, these are wild animals, and this is my pet animal. Body parts topic.
body parts. I have 2 eyes, I have 2 ears, I have 1 nose, I have 1 mouth, I have 2 hands, I have 2 legs.
National Science Day is celebrated in India on February 28th. The day is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect. The great Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 1930.
Sense organs. We have many body parts in our body. In our body, we have 5 sense organs. Those are eyes. We can see the beautiful world with our eyes. Ears. We can listen lovely sounds with our ears. Nose. We can smell with our nose. Tongue. We can taste delicious food with our tongue. Skin. We can touch objects with our skin.
House has many rooms and different rooms. One is bathroom, one is kitchen, one is living room, one is bedroom, one is balcony. My mom cook in kitchen. We will sleep in bedroom. I will draw in living room. Body parts. It is head. It is head. It is eyes.
These are eyes.
These are eyes. Nose, mouth, ears.
Function of body parts. Eyes to see, nose to breathe and smell, mouth to talk and eat, ears to hear, hands to write and eat.
I am going to explain body parts. Eyes will help us to see. Nose will help us to smell. Mouth will help us to eat and talk. Ears will help us to listen. And legs will help us to walk, jump, run. I am explaining about these all body parts. Eyes, nose, hands, legs, ears and mouth. Parts of the plant. These are roots. This is a stem. These are leaves. And these are branches. And this is a bird. And this is a flower. It is singing. It is also singing. Floating. This is floating. Is to see, mouth to eat, no ears to hear, skin to feel, nose help us to smell. I'm saying about animals. There are 3 types of animals. These are domestic animals, these are pet animals, these are wild animals. Both the tomato plant. Tomato plant is herb. Tomato plant is a herb. Tomato plant. Tomato fruit. Tomato flower. Tiger young one is cub. Cheetah young one is cub. Giraffe young one is giraffe. Lion young one is
cup.
Today I am explaining about herbs. Herbs are small plants. They have thin and green stems. Examples are like brinjal plant, tomato plants.
I doing science activity. Now I'm explaining about body parts. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. Transport means vehicles carrying people and animals, goods from one place to another place. There are three transport: land transport, air transport and water transport. Food from plant, food from animals, food apple, pomegranate, pulses, tomato, lemon, peas. These are from plants. Animals, milk, butter, eggs. Have to not touch cylinder. Our house will all forever gone. Our house have to not play with fire because our hand will all fire will transport the vehicle. The vehicle carries people from one place to another place. The transport. I to explain previous topics. Transport. Transport means to reach one country to another country. In that transport, three types of transports is there. I first go to the land transport. The land transport, car, train, bike, scooty, auto, rickshaw, cycle. These all are land transport. Next I go to the air transport. In the air transport, helicopter there, aeroplane there, rocket there, spaceship there and hot and balloon also there. These all are air transport. Last I go to the water transport. In the water transport, boat there, yacht there, ship there. These all are water transport. Thank you. I have two eyes, one nose, one mouth, 2 ears, 1 stomach, 2 hands. 10 types of plants. This is money plant. They cannot stand. This is tulsi plant. Small plant. They will not grow. Today I am telling about our food. We get food from plants and animals. Food from plants. Vegetables, dry fruits, pulses, fruits, tamarind. Food from animals. Honey, milk, egg, ghee, butter, curd, chicken. Be healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.
Food makes you big. Food makes you grow. Food gives you energy to go, go, go. Food keeps you healthy. Food keeps you well. Food's good to taste and even good to smell.
eating and playing, walking and writing. We should eat healthy foods and we should drink 2 glasses of milk.
My topic is domestic wild animals.
It is a lemon tree. It has strong trunk. It is tall and big. It lives many years. For example, mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree. Shells are smaller than trees and bush not strong like trees. Example, rose tree, jasmine.
I am telling healthy food. So these are my healthy food. Pineapple, orange, coriander, mint, ginger, carrot, dry fruits, milk, curd, tomato.
I am explaining about the plants. Plants are 5 types: trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers. Every science beginning as philosophy and ends as art. Thank you for watching our junior scientist performance. Once again, happy National Science Day.